6. Apollo 10 space sounds. Music from the dark side of the moon. During the Apollo 10 mission in 1969, astronauts recorded strange whistling sounds while orbiting the far side of the moon. The audio remained classified for years. When released, even the astronauts admitted they didn't understand what they were hearing. NASA later claimed radio interference, but no exact source was proven.
That music even sounds outer spacey, doesn't it? You hear that? That whistling sound? Yeah. Woo! Look at your... Yeah, it sounds like, outer space type music.
5.